Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers, Femme, Shamika, whichever one you want to call me. And today I'm going to be doing a self-care routine. Remember I told you guys I'm working on my face to get like the marks off and everything. So I'm going to be showing you the mask that I am doing to help my skin get back to normal and be healthy and revitalized and young. Excuse me. So today we're going to be making a charcoal and Aztec healing clay mask, which helps to detoxify my face, pull all things up out of it, and also just to cleanse it thoroughly before I get into the main mask I want to try today. So that's going to be the first mask. The second mask is consisted of ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg. I'm going to put turmeric in it, and honey, and that's gonna be the exfoliator plus put some moisturizing back into our face. And I'll definitely put the benefits on the screen because I never did that particular mask before. Excuse me. I have two containers. I have this container to do my first mask. It's pretty big, but I'll get another one for the next video. And then I have this container right here that I'm using for the nutmeg cinnamon. It smells so good. Mask. But the first thing I'm gonna do is, of course, wash my face with my eczema honey cleanser. You can wash your face with any cleanser that you use, and that's just to you know, get everything off the surface of my skin from just sleeping and everything. And I have this to assist me, my silicone brush. I love my silicone brush, helps get everything off. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with washing my face. So I have my cleanser, and I have my silicone brush. I'll put that much on it. Now I'm gonna take my activated charcoal. I actually take these sometimes, but I haven't taken it in a while. One dropped out. I haven't taken it in a while, but today I'm gonna use it in my face mask. So I basically just squeeze it apart and pour it into my container. And I'm gonna add water to it. You can add apple cider vinegar, aloe water, whatever suits you. I'm gonna do water, and I'm doing filtered water today.
Activated charcoal may help remove impurities and dirt from the skin, improving its texture and appearance. The powder is porous and highly absorbent, which can suck up gunk. This might leave you with clear, maybe they're born with it skin. It might benefit people with oily skin the most. It improves acne, removes toxins, treats insect bites, provides gentle exfoliation, minimizes the appearance of pores, and it also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Bentonite clay absorbs dirt and oil like sebum. Too much sebum can lead to acne. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help your skin heal. Some points of it is detoxifies, cleanses, and exfoliates, keeps your pores clean so that they're able to shrink back to their normal size. They help minor skin irritations, insect bites or stings, blemishes, skin dryness, skin redness, and glowing skin.
Okay, now that it's mixed up, this is how it looks. I have some on my spoon. And that is charcoal, bentonite clay, and filtered water. I'm just gonna apply it to my face. It's cool. Let this stay on for 20 to 30 minutes, however you feel, until it's dry basically. And then I will be back. Okay, I just wanted to come and show you how it looks tight. Okay, and this is how my face looks after. I'm just gonna bolt it dry and get to the next mask. Now I'm going to mix up this with the honey. It smells so good, y'all. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and I'm gonna put a little bit of turmeric in it, just because, you know, I'm working on the marks on my face. As well, like the hyperpigmentation, and that's how this looks. That. Mix everything together. See? Start squinting. And then we're gonna add the honey. Same honey we used the last time. I'm gonna get a teaspoon. So good. And pour it in here. I think I need more than a teaspoon, guys. Okay, so now I'm mixing it up. I added 2 tablespoons. This is how it's looking so far.
Nutmeg reduces pigmentation, gently exfoliates your skin, treats oily skin, promotes youthful skin, and acts as a natural toning cleanser. Cinnamon helps to plump the skin, helps treat eczema, helps alleviate acne, has antiseptic properties, helps to limit signs of aging, soothes and heals dry skin, and helps to enhance complexion. Turmeric helps heal acne, lightens hyperpigmentation, deals with dull skin, reduces dark circles, prevents premature aging, and helps psoriasis and eczema.
And now I'm going to add it to my face.
Honey moisturizes the skin deeply, acts as a pore cleanser, gentle exfoliator, lightens scars, fights acne and pimples, and reverses age.
All right, y'all, we're going to keep this one on for 30 minutes. It says 20 minutes, but I'm keeping it on for 30 minutes. 20 to 30 minutes. If this mask is tingling or anything, or burning in any way, wash it off. Everything doesn't work for everybody. But yes, I will see you in 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so my mask has been on for 20 minutes. I feel like the timer is gonna stop soon. So that's when I'm gonna wash it off. This is how it looks. It feels very moisturizing. I don't feel any tingling. I don't feel any burning. I just feel very moisturized. So after I finish rinsing it off, I'm not going to rinse with my cleanser or anything. I'm just gonna rinse it off, and then I'm gonna apply my oil, a little bit of my oil, because the honey feels very moisturizing, which I like. And honey is a great antioxidant for your face, period. I remember at one point that was just my face wash, just straight honey. And I would just moisturize like my face with it and everything. Like massage it in and then rinse it off. So really liking how this is feeling. And when I'm rinsing it off, I'm definitely gonna be going in circular motions. Like that. You know? to get some of my dead skin off. It smells so good, guys. It smells really, really good, like a candle or like apple pie. Or I'm gonna wash it off now because the timer stopped. So yeah, this is my face. This is the mark. This is the mark that I had from eczema. This is the mark too. It's coming along. The mark on my forehead. I feel like my skin is coming along on my face. And it's only a matter of time until I could work on my neck. My arms are taking a bit longer, but I'm just loving how my face is. So now I'm going to apply my eczema honey. And we've reached the end of this self-care video. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave a comment on if you tried this mask, if you're going to try this mask. And have a good day, have a good evening, have a good morning, and have a good night wherever you are. Later.